Hey everyone, Happy New Year! It's January 8th, exactly a week into the new year 2021. I'm done with my post-holiday cleanup, but I'm not done yet with I haven't even started my spring cleaning yet. My husband and I were supposed to do it together, but he left for work 2 days ago. So if I were to do it, it's just gonna be me and our house help, and that's just 4 hands technically, and we can do it together, especially with with a baby, and there's Vanya, there's her online distance learning, so it's kind of hard to manage. So I sought the help of BCB Cleaning Co. They're a home cleaning service that specializes in cleaning your home. I got the deep home cleaning service. They are going to, number 1, deep clean the whole house. So just sweep the whole area, the vacuum the floors, wiping down every nook and cranny, and we also have the mattress and sheet vacuuming, bathroom sanitation, aromatizing with a scent of your choice, and air purification. They're here already. They've already started cleaning the upstairs bedroom, so they're gonna start with the masters and then Vanya's bedroom, and I left out Isabel's bedroom because they're all there, and then from there they're gonna move downstairs to clean the living room, the dining, as well as the kitchen. So just to give you an idea of what they're gonna do. So they started with their walls, vacuumed our mattress, vacuumed Mia's mattress, steamed our curtains, vacuumed our closet, our pillows, our comforter, and then changed our sheets. They then moved to Vanya's bedroom, where they vacuumed the bed base that we moved there. This is actually the bed base of our bed. We moved it because we want to baby-proof our bedroom. After that, they mopped our floor and even wiped our doors. They then moved to our living room, where they vacuumed everything inside, from our throw pillows, our sofa, the chairs, our frames, our lampshade, the corners of our living room, and then steamed our curtains. Their deep home cleaning service is most recommended by over 800 customers. In a nutshell, almost every nook and cranny of your home will get special attention with extensive routine of deep cleaning, from sweeping, brooming, vacuuming of floors, wiping of areas, mattress and sheet vacuuming, bathroom sanitation, aromatizing, and air purification to keep the dust mites away. Their antibacterial mist treatment, which is my favorite part, kills bacteria and germs and removes odor and odd smell. This is all natural and non-toxic, safe for humans and pets, and even safe for pregnant women, babies, and asthmatic people. So they're done cleaning the whole house. I'm taking this time to air out our bedroom. Saba kaya akong electric fan. And taking this time, like I said, taking this time to air out our bedroom before I call Mia and her ate back inside. So basically, I got the deep home cleaning service. So they cleaned our bedroom, they cleaned our second room, they cleaned the powder room, and then the living room, and then the dining and the kitchen. They also cleaned our porch. They arranged all of my gardening equipment, and they also cleaned our windows. Thank God. I mean, that was long overdue. And I really love the service. I like the fact that they came in here and then changed into their PPEs. Made sure that the whole time they were cleaning, they were wearing their masks as well as their face shield. And the best part about the service for me was the anti-bac misting. If I'm not mistaken, oh my god, I'm so bad. My memory is so bad. I think sign na to na gumugor. But yeah, so that was the best part for me. I mean, it completes the whole cleaning process. I feel like my home is very much ready to take on 2021. So yeah, thank you so much, BCB Cleaning Co. You guys did great in cleaning the whole house. I might book them again for what do you call this? Car detailing. And ako na ang gipapasak ng kilay, guys. Kaya ako siyang gitropo-tropo. But anyway, I'm gonna book them again for car detailing, as well as our papaso nila sa taniha, as well as I forgot, but for cleaning, deep cleaning our mattresses and our sofa, and as well as our dining chairs. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.